I'm A. Sasaki and you're watching FHM TV. I was a girlfriend of the month for January. My hair was still short. Then the next thing I know, I won as Miss Girlfriend of the Year 2004. Shows for FHM. I get to be the judge for Big Miss Bikini AEN in out of town shows. I cover for the lingerie special. And then but before that too, I'm also doing FHM fashion shows, 100 Most Sexiest. A bit of 80s, still modern, and of course sexy, but sweet for me. I'm trying to be also sweet for facial expression. The good thing is, I'm friends with the photographer, and before then with Sander Angeles. Yeah, I know these guys for a long time already, so I feel comfortable, doing sexy shots because they put me in the line of sexy. Though I can also do high fashion and other lines of, being a model. It's good to know also that you're still working with the same people, with professionals. Everything, at least save something for yourself, because there will be a time that you will look upon yourself, where am I right now, or you will be lost.